Hello guys, today we're going to try some freeze-dried steak and broccoli for dinner. We recently came across these freeze-dried wholesalers brand freeze-dried foods, and we thought we'd give them a try. So it's going to take a little while to get them rehydrated before we can cook them, so we can get that part of this video out the way. Directions on these don't give you a lot. It just says cover with the desired amount of water and just let them stand until they're rehydrated. No approximate times or anything, so this is going to be an experiment for us. So that's what they look like dried. I'm really not sure exactly how much you're going to want to do. Let's see what that looks like for two people. Of course, the only size bags I have with me are 2 gallons, and it's going to be a little bit of overkill, but we'll make it work. Probably a quart size or gallon at most would be about right. Now we'll just set these aside. And get this broccoli ready. Once again, having never worked with this stuff before, I have no idea how much this stuff to put in there. The directions and nutritional information doesn't really help. We'll start with that much and see what happens. Well, that's a 1.5 liters of water that I've used between the two of these. That's not necessarily the best way to do it. Well, that's it for now. Come back to you when it's time to start cooking them. Well, the broccoli feels like it's softened up. And so does the meat. No butter in there? No. Yep. Go.
Broccoli's excellent. Put a little bit of the grease from the steak on it. That's a good flavor. Tastes like steak.
And as you can see, they had some freeze-dried cheesecake. I love cheesecake, so we'll try this out. I occasionally get the Mountain House freeze-dried cheesecake, and I eat it just as is, not rehydrated. So I think that's what I'm going to try with these first. So the instructions, if you want to rehydrate this, is to cover it with the desired amount of cheesecake slice with cold water. Let stand for 60 seconds, then drain the excess water. Let stand for 10 minutes and serve like you would any other sliced cheesecake. Alright, I'm going to try some freeze-dried cheesecake. This comes in actual slices, whereas the Mountain House cheesecake comes in little bite-sized cubes. Well, tastes like cheesecake, like it should. Nice dessert.
Didn't follow the instructions completely perfectly. It wanted me to completely cover it with water. I just stuck it in the bowl and filled this up with water and flipped it a couple times for 60 seconds. And then drained it, and then let it sit for 10 seconds. It might be better, absorb water better if it was, immersed. But other than that, let's give it a try and see what it's got that nice mushy cream cheese feel to it, Yeah, it probably needed to be absorbed, completely immersed. With the outside, it's soft. It tastes like, like a cheesecake. And the center taste is still hard. I think with a little work, a little experimentation, I could get this looking and tasting in the same consistency as a piece of regular cheesecake out of a restaurant. But as you can see, the outside got soft. On the bottom, it just didn't soak in all the way. So if you had a deeper bowl and you had a whole bunch of them, you could go through assembly line fashion and make a bunch of them that way. But it's good. And like I said, I can experiment with it a little bit more. Maybe we'll do a follow-up video. But tastes good to me.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.